Hi everyone, here is an updated screencast for how you will be logging into your time capture to make sure that you are getting paid for your time tutoring. You're going to have to start by going to your employee tab. Sorry about all the confusion before. I had never done this and so I wasn't positive, but this is now what I've been told is correct. So you will log into your employee portal. So you're going to go to my LBUSD portal under the employee tab. Down here, it's going to ask you to log in, and your login is exactly like mine is. So it's the first initial of your first name and your last name. So my name is Emily Joelle. So my username is eJoelle. My password is my 6-digit birthday. Once you log in, you are going to be going to this little search icon, and you're going to type in the word time. This is your daily time capture. That's where you're tracking your hours. So you click daily time capture, and then this is the same as the last video I showed you, where you pick the day that you worked. Again, as a reminder, you have to do this either the day you worked or the day after, because otherwise the dates won't be available. So you'll go ahead and put in that you worked on, let's say the 14th. You're always going to select Poly as your site, so Poly High School, and then click select date and site. Once your date and site has been selected, you're going to select the assignment type, and it's going to be this one called hourly classified. You click hourly classified, you put in your number of hours. I would always say you just put 1.5 and it'll change it to that. So type in 1.5 because hopefully you'll be working an hour and a half if you sign on from 2:30 to 4. If you do end up coming a little bit late, you can adjust this if you need to. In your remarks, I do suggest putting the date that you tutored. It's not 100% necessary, but I just feel like it makes it a little easier to keep track of your dates. And then you go ahead and click add. It will say now that it's been added, and you can see it right down here. So you can see the site, hourly classified, how many hours you worked, and your remarks here with the date. Okay. I'm going to show you how to find this if you need to look up your hours to make sure you track them correctly. But then afterwards, I'm going to remember to come back and delete. So if you ever do anything accidentally, you can delete it. But I'm not going to delete it yet because this time I'm going back to the portal and I'm going to go to the time capture inquiry. And what that's going to do is it's going to ask me, when this is for. So just leave it on whatever it defaults to. And you can see here, it shows me the date, 4/14. It shows me Polytechnic, hourly classified, 1.5. And I can now be sure that I will be getting paid for that. Okay? So if you need to look on that inquiry, please do. Again, I did not actually work this, so I'm going to delete. And that's how you would do that if you make a mistake or anything. So that is it. Please reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. See you soon.